Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone is well. That you had a pleasant weekend and did your best to stay cool. Today is Monday, July 17th, 2023. I am Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Troth Realtors, right here in Lancaster, California, bringing you this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Snapshot, where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what's going on in the Antelope Valley real estate market. Feel it's important for homeowners and property owners here in the Antelope Valley to have a local resource to go to see what's going on in our market. As I point out week after week, our market is definitely unique to itself. And so often our statistics, our market numbers get lumped in with the rest of Los Angeles County, Southern California, state of California, and what goes on here in the Antelope Valley real estate market, I said definitely unique unto itself. Also like to point out that our statistics are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors MLS system. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right in and see what's going on with this week's numbers. There we go. Took a split second to pull it up. So this week, nice little jump in inventory. We start this week with 519 active listings on the market, up from the previous Monday when we were at 504. So a nice 3% jump. Down just a tick from 4 weeks ago when we were at 525. I'll kind of give a little bit of some thoughts as we look at the next slide as to where that inventory may be going. You can see from basically a year ago, down 46% this time last year, 961 active listings on the market. Of course, that was a period of time where we were starting to see some pretty aggressive increase in mortgage rates, and some sellers were kind of thinking maybe the bubble was getting ready to burst, and so we did see quite a few homes come on the market. Our pendings, those properties that are in escrow under contract, took a dip from last week. Not 100% sure why, other than rates did start to climb at the beginning of the week, and then did essentially start to settle down a little bit towards the end of the week. And so I think we're going to see that pending number by the end of this week pick back up. But we do start with 492 properties in escrow, down 9 from a week ago when we were at 501. From 4 weeks ago, down 5%. We were at 518, and you can see from a year ago, down 12.3% when we were at 561. Let's go ahead and get into our week over week comparison. There we go. So here's what I was talking about. Nice healthy jump of new properties coming on the market last week. Don't know if all of a sudden it was maybe the end of graduation, Father's Day, 4th of July, and maybe some folks that have been thinking about getting their home on the market prior to the end of the summer market made that move. But up 57% from the week prior, 96 residential properties on the market from the time period 7/10/23 through 7/16/23. Nice little jump here. Residential listings into escrow, 78. So that was up from the previous week, which was, of course, the 4th of July holiday week. And as I talked about last week, a lot of folks with that holiday falling on a Tuesday kind of took the rest of the week off, it appeared. So up essentially 20%. And a little bit of an interesting number here. Our median days on the market took a 6-day jump, up 21. That may have been fueled by some of those houses that have been on the market a little bit. Kind of scanning a little bit, it looked like some of those did take price adjustments last week, which may have caused some of those on the market a little bit longer to finally get into escrow. Residential listings that closed last week, 61, and up from 51 the week before. And once again, another interesting number, which is, in my opinion, a good number. The median sales price took a 11% jump from 440 to 489, highest we've seen it in a number of months. So maybe we're starting to see, and I underline the word maybe, we're starting to see some move-up buyers start to sell their more of an entry-level house and moving up. That kind of yet to be seen, but let's keep an eye on that. Also, our median sales price still a little bit above our median list price for the week, which was at 480. So some interesting signals definitely coming into the market from last week. All right, and get the shares. There we go. So definitely some things as we move through the last couple of weeks of July and into August. Definitely going to be some interesting things to keep our eye on and see where it goes. As I mentioned, we did see interest rates settle down a little bit towards the end of last week. What that trend will look like this week, be interesting to see. If rates continue to settle down, we could start to see definitely some of those buyers sitting on the fence come back in the market. So with that, we'll go ahead and call it a wrap for this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Snapshot. Any other statistics, information that myself or any of our trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors could provide you, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Always here to serve, where we've been proudly serving the Antelope Valley real estate market since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a great week. Stay cool, and see you next Monday. All righty, bye-bye.